Hi guys, today Bandu Gaming here. Today we are watching a knockoff Subway Surfers. Oh, this guy. Oh, huh? Huh? What's he doing? Oh God, someone's calling him. That's a certified. Whoa! Yeah, that's so cool. Anita. Oh, it's his parents, probably. Whatever. Keep going, man. Oh no, I'm lagging. Oh, bruh. That's not a certified. Whoa. Let me type him. Okay, why is so laggy? Let's just do something else. Let's just go Let's go to the other one. Wait, not interesting. Gambling? Oh hell no. What? Huh. Okay, no. What is this? No. What? Bro. Oh. Fuck. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get the. I wanna break my fucking. I wanna break my fucking phone. Oh, holy shit. I wanna break my fucking phone. Holy shit. I'm gonna break my fucking phone. Why is it not working? Holy shit. Oh, I'm gonna break my fucking phone. Oh, I'm gonna break my fucking phone. Hey, I press OK, go. Just fix my goddamn phone. Don't make it lag. Finally. Phone's good now. Oh. Why am I still